This is part of the Liskeard Together project, and you can join us from the comfort of your own home with our online cooking sessions. All ingredients you will need are provided and delivered to your door every week for 6 weeks. These sessions are currently available for people in the PL14 area, currently not in paid employment. For more information, please contact ECCABI on 015 793 43693.
I'm Nicole.
Hey, I'm Emma.
And we are from Feed the Family.
And today we're going to be making some crumpizzas. So the first thing we're going to do is toast the crumpets so that they're firm but not burn. So Nicole is going to pop them into our oven here.
Make sure you use your oven glove, guys.
Make sure to toast both sides as well. Next, Nicole's going to be chopping an onion. So now I'm going to oil the pan and Nicole's going to pop the onions in. Make sure you do not burn your onion, guys. All we're going to do is lightly fry these on a low heat until they're softened.
I love the smell of onions on hot dogs. And now I'm putting the onions into the bowl to cool down.
Now Nicole's going to be cutting the red pepper and the green.
Yes, I've got a nice hand tattoo there, guys.
I think the crumpets are ready now, Nicole, if you want to get them out. So now I'm going to remove the crumpets from the oven.
So now I'm cutting the pineapple up smallly to go onto the crumpet pizzas.
So what is it you're doing now, Nicole?
I am now going to chop the ham very finely.
Yeah? Who's going to eat all these after?
We've got 12 each, guys.
So now our crumpets are ready and our toppings are all chopped and prepared. So we're going to pop them on top of our crumpets.
So firstly, we are going to be putting on our tomato base onto the crumpet.
You can also use other alternatives like barbecue sauce or tomato sauce or tomato puree. And what I love about these crumpet pizzas is when you put the sauce on, it soaks through the holes.
So now we have done the tomato base, we will now be adding the cheese.
Obviously you can use other stuff. You can use whatever you like. If you don't eat cheese, you can use an alternative. Same with all the other toppings that we're going to be using.
Sprinkle, just a little chuck it on there. We are now sprinkling some cheese on top of the crumpets.
And mozzarella also goes very nicely on these.
As it's stringy, very stringy.
So next we're going to be popping some ham onto our crumpets.
You can use whatever meat you like, even tin sausages. You can use bacon, you can use a lot of other stuff.
Chicken.
But
we're going to use ham.
If you are a vegetarian, there is a vegetarian option out there. So we have some cherry tomatoes, some red and green peppers, some pineapple, some cooked onions, and some sweet corn. These look really good, don't they, Emma?
They actually look really nice. So now the crumpets are ready. Nicole's going to put them under the grill. Leave these under the grill just until they're slightly browned. I mean, you'll be able to see when they look about ready. So while these are grilling, you can get the kids to tidy up and do a bit of the dishes for you. So now the cheese is all brown and they're looking delicious. So Nicole's going to take them out and leave them to cool down. Make sure you wear your oven glove, guys, because it will be very hot. They actually look amazing. enjoyed watching us make our Crumpizzas today.
If you would like to get involved with Feed the Family, please follow the details below. Yes.
We are also offering short online courses that can help you prepare for the changes in the pipeline with Universal Credit, involving saving money and living on a budget, leading on to writing your CV, and help with online job searching skills. These we hope will help you be ready for these changes.